Ni kadege bati CCTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kasni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka Kali Datsun Ready Go Batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Ka Women Empowerment Committee ya ka balakli daga MLA jong ka seng Kongres ka Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo ha ka pratarik urisaw arzar arpo kala syong ya ka jingelang banyather yatay halor bon ki man ki bakta ya ka buram ka ijot jong ki kentay bat ki kena. Habakren shigi nong tok kubor hadin balawai ka jingelang udukot jong ka ne ka komiti uba Himalaya M. Shangpliang ulaong bahadin ka jingmi kubor halor ka jingtombor jong ukni yala ka jong ka persa Kabalajia hakaway ni Kashnong kabudan ha West Khasi Hills District nakaliang jong ka committee kalakot hajir ya Superintendent of Police ka West Khasi Hills District banpan Jubab bat banyo jing pensyay hakabayaday bat kani ka jingjia. Shushu nakaliang uba siyang pilang ulayatho ru ba nakaliang jong Superintendent of Police ulayatho baki pulit kila kem yo uni ubriu bat menta udang don ha patong. Ka committee ka kentu ya SP banyatray lang bat ka office jong ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Khasi Hills District bat kumjuru bat ka tenat social welfare kenang ban penlong ya ka jing ay jing hikay sikipait ba bakin tim halor ka ain bat ban penslor yaki ban wan syakamat ban pentip sikibor ka ain lada don kum kini ki jingjia hadin habot.
Man sexually abuses own nieces. This committee was very disturbed to see this news item, and in its internal meeting, which was held about 2 weeks back, had thought to call the SP of West Khasi's district today, and the SP had appeared before this committee and submitted a report relating to this particular case. In his report, the SP has mentioned that yes, there was a case on the 12th of September. An FIR was received at the Mairan police station. So apparently the accused has been arrested on the same day of the FIR, and now the progress of the case is that the SP mentioned that the charge sheet is almost completed. All evidences against on the crime has already been collected, and therefore the accused person is still in the jail, and the SP looks forward for a punishment to the culprit, because he himself has admitted to the crime. And we also, the committee also had requested the SP to work in coordination with the Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills and the social welfare officers and the ICPS officers to regularly conduct the kind of awareness campaign to the people, so that we must make the people aware of the law. We must make the people to come forward. There are times when people do not normally report such incidents, and therefore knowing that West Khasi Hills has a record of a lot of crime against women and children, and therefore I think we need that the district administration to work up and call for various workshops and seminars to make awareness of the people. So that was all that we got, and the committee also appealed to the SP to work hard and see that this particular case ends up with a logical conclusion. The section which the police has registered was Mairan PS. This is under section 506 IPC and under section 5 (N/C) of the POCSO Act.
In West Khasi Hills also there are 42 pending cases of crimes against women and children. No, it is just 20. So this is also something which is very worrisome, and we have requested the SP to send us details and statuses of all 42 crimes, and we have impressed upon the SP that he should leave no stone unturned to ensure that justice at the end of the day is not denied to the victims of such heinous crimes. And we also took note that in the occurrence of crimes, especially against minor children, over and above the immediate registry of POCSO cases against these culprits, we also feel that there should be much stress laid on the insurance of the mental health and well-being of especially minor victims. We would like to see that every district in this state handholds these victims, have constant interactions with communities across the board to ensure that these victims can come back to normal life. We've also requested the SP of West Khasi Hills to give us a status report of the counseling sessions that were undertaken to attend to these two twin minor children, and make sure that under no circumstances shall other crimes occur, especially to these victims who have already been conditioned to so much of a mental torture and tormentation.